Hey guys, so today we're gonna be testing Clorox bleach toilet cleaner to clean the grout in my bathroom. You guys know I love grout cleaning videos. I've done a couple, so let's get started. So first things first, we need to vacuum the floor, but I just wanna give you a little bit of what I'm looking at. So this was the grout color when we first had moved in, and you can see that it's definitely gotten much darker. So we're gonna try to get it bright and white again. My floors are pretty clean. I just did a deep clean like last week on them. So you just want to make sure your floors are clean. Definitely vacuum first. But I'm not going to be cleaning with any other chemicals because I'm going to be putting down the bleach cleaner, and you definitely don't want to be mixing chemicals. Make sure you're covering your hands with some gloves. You don't want to get any of the cleaner. So it's really easy because the way the bottle is and the mechanism on the top, it fits perfectly within the grout lines and it's really no mess. So you want to give it a good 30 to 40 minutes to really get in there and penetrate the grout and lighten things up. I'm leaving it on for about 30 minutes here, and once it's done, I'm using a bucket of water to go ahead and wipe things off. I find that this is the easiest way. You just take a sponge and you wipe it away, and then I just dip it into the water, and about every, few rinses or so, I'll dump that out and refill it. Once I was done wiping up all of the cleaner, I did let it air dry for quite a bit, and then I went in with a towel just to mop up any additional water. I feel like I'm ice skating here. And the grout does look darker right now, but that's just because it's wet, so I let it dry for the rest of the day. I am so impressed. Look at how good it looks. It looks so light. In areas, it is a little bit darker, but such a big difference. I have not seen my grout look like this since we moved in. So 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend using this to clean your grout. So simple, so easy. It does take a little bit of time, especially the cleanup. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys next week. Bye.